Mr. Mullins not very confident that this is going to work. We have to make it work.
Tone the pan location. We're under the pan location.
Just as I suspected.
May I prepare for send off a second shipment? You know anybody who are coming?
Just give me a few days.
You ready?
Yeah, man.
Automatic and clot, you know.
Clot who?
Alright!
Hey Tony, what's up?
Good day, I know nicey. What's up?
You haven't called in over a week.
That's because I'm seriously busy.
You can't be too busy to check in on your best and most industrious worker.
That's true. But we know you're alright. You make good money, and I mean, you live in that luxurious apartment there.
Come on, Tony. Life isn't just about luxury and the material things. It's about the human connection.
That's what it should be. But some humans are so unpredictable.
Like you?
What do you mean by that?
Tony, I want to know that I am not just a good worker to you, but someone you respect as a person.
But I do respect you. You should know that.
Then why would an entire week pass and you didn't check to see if I was alive or...
Nicey. You don't think that's a bit dramatic?
Not when I was sick and had to be hospitalized.
What?
You heard me. I spent 3 days in the hospital, heat stroke, and my boss who respected me so much had no idea.
Well, I'm sorry to hear that. And I'll be sure to check on you more often from now on. Alright?
I just don't want to feel like I am being used.
Used? Hold on, Nicey. Let's put this in perspective. You are employed to the company. You are paid handsomely to do a job. Plus, there are benefits, perks, etc. So don't make it seem as if I'm a bad person because I'm gonna reach out to you for a week. I just explain, say, but I'm busy.
Okay, sir. I hear you. Did you get your first shipment of caskets safe and sound?
Yes, I did.
And the second shipment is being packed as we speak.
Great. Nicey. I don't want you to believe, say, I don't appreciate the work that you have been doing. I know you say it's not about money or material things, but I'm sure you care for you.
That sounds good.
Just sounds good. I think you'd be more excited than that.
I'm not sure how excited I should feel when I might end up in jail.
End up in jail? For?
I don't know. Aiding and abetting? Weapon dealing?
Nicey. What you talking about?
Tony, you're a smart man. Now is not the time to be playing a fool. I went to the funeral home earlier than expected and I saw what was being loaded inside the caskets. And they're in my name. You don't have anything to say?
So now you know what I do. What you gonna do?
My question is, was I put here as a scapegoat?
No. We need someone who we can trust, who can ensure all protocols are observed when sending out shipments.
And if one of them were intercepted, what would that mean for me?
It would mean you keep your mouth shut and deal with it.
Wow. So I'm really a scapegoat then.
You're an asset who doesn't want to become a liability.
And if I no longer want to play along?
That's where you're wrong. Don't ever for a second think that this is a game. This is a multi-billion-dollar business, and it's very dangerous.
I'm not sure I want to be a part of this anymore.
How is Zaire?
My driver?
Yeah, the one you're in a secret relationship with.
How do you know that?
Him tell you say him a work in the US to support him family back in India, don't it? But guess what? That are the story him give all I mark them.
Mark?
Yeah, that's what hitmen or assassins get. Marks or targets. You think say they set up what you have over there come cheap? And you think we never plan for that moment here? I see. But listen, in a real life, I like you. You have two options. It's either you play a ball and live rich, or you open your mouth and lay down in one of them box there.
This is what you sent me over here for?
You wanted this lavish lifestyle. You're a very ambitious woman.
Yes, Tony, I am ambitious, but I didn't expect this.
Come on, Nicey. Stop being naive. You never once question how you earn so much money and how you live so. You want the lavish lifestyle and you think it not gonna come with a price?
You should have just stayed with Trevor.
No, that's not you. Your mindset is bigger than that. Plus, him soon get a visit. And you don't want to be around when that happens.